Does a mesothelioma victim's case continue if, unfortunately, they pass away during the pendency of the case? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney in New York City, and I can tell you that the answer to this question is yes. There's a process in place in the courts in New York and in really all states wherein a litigant who brings a case, if they are unfortunate enough to pass away during the pendency of the case, the court can substitute someone in their place to carry on the case to its conclusion. Generally what happens is an application is made to a different court. It's called the surrogates court. This other court, the surrogates court, and when I say this other court, it's not the same court where the case is brought. It's a court that deals specifically with these things. That's what's called the surrogates court. And the surrogates court will decide who it is that stands in the shoes of the person who passed away, the person who brought the case, the asbestos-exposed worker who passed away from mesothelioma. And the surrogates court will make this decision based upon a few things, the most important of which is a will. So if the person who died had a will and appointed an executor, well, the surrogates court will certainly take that into account and in many circumstances appoints that executor as the person who's in charge of the civil case, of the mesothelioma case, to bring it to its conclusion. If the person who died did not have a will, well, the surrogates court makes a determination based upon all the facts and all the circumstances as to who should stand in the shoes of that now passed away person. The surrogate court will issue an order stating who it is who will take the place of the person who passed away. And it's typically a family member, a spouse, or the children. And the surrogates court decides this based upon all the information, but it's typically a family member. The bottom line is that the case can continue after the victim of mesothelioma's death. And any settlement money or any money from a judgment or verdict goes to that person's spouse or their family members. I'm sure you have many more questions about this topic as it relates to mesothelioma cases. I'm Joe Williams. I encourage you to call my office at the number listed below. We handle these cases every day. We represent victims of mesothelioma each and every day, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. Thanks.